Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am gorgeously caffeinated and I have all of my very favorite new finds in front of me from every single category, from hair care, a little skin care, a little body care, some makeup, of course. Now these products are underrated, nowhere to be found. They have changed my life. They have changed my routine. They are leveling me up and I just have to share. I want to start with what is in my hands right here. Now I have been using this for a month straight and I have not been more excited about a conditioner in a very long time. This beats out Kerastase. This beats out anything I've bought at Sephora. Now this is Revlon's Bond Repair Treatment. This is a after color mask. I got this at Walgreens. You can find this on Amazon for 10 bucks. They have the tub, they have a squeeze tube. It's the same formula from what I can see. I will evenly disperse this using a wide tooth comb through my ends. I will wait for 5 minutes, do my other shower things. It kind of smells like box dye, but like in a good way. It smells like a memory. It smells like I am having a fun time with my girlfriends coloring my hair. You will be amazed at how soft and shiny your hair is. It says that it penetrates like 8 layers deep and it's gonna repair the hair, and it does all these things, like tons of wild claims. My claim is literally, you guys, look how shiny my hair is, okay? I have to be so clear with you in my routine. Things A to Z, from hair care to body care to makeup to skincare, they stay locked. Like, I do try a lot of product, but it takes a lot for something to kind of knock the already existing product out of the way and become like the new everyday favorite. So we're now gonna hop into a little bit of skincare, some things that have knocked other things out of the way. And this combo, I have 4 products. I'm just gonna hold them all up right here. I talked about a few of these on live already. I switched up my skincare, and in like 2.2, my skin looked so much more hydrated. My surface dehydration has completely diminished. So I just want to quickly run through the new favorites. Ranavat. This is an essence that is brightening. It also has saffron as one of the key play ingredients in here. This is expensive. This is an investment. I only use a little bit at a time. I take it on my hands, do a little of this, pat, 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 pat. Make sure you're getting on the nose as well. We always ignore this region right here. A lot of people complain about the 11s. Make sure you are not just this, that you're always getting this area as well. So I will do a nice essence, and this will help other products to penetrate more deeply. You want some moisture on your face when you're gonna go in with your serums. It gives a nice foundation for things to sink in all together and do the most for your skin. You guys know I love the Ranavat Jasmine Hair Oil, and I've been using that for about 2.5 years. Swear by it. Impossible to go through a whole bottle. This one right here is beautiful, and the bottle itself is really gorgeous as well. Love, love, love. Sungboon Editor. I am finally super into this. I had used it like a little bit here, a little bit there. I was sent this in PR. I kind of used it. I was like, oh, is this like a collagen hyaluronic acid? I don't really get it. Oh, it's kind of like, it's cute, it's nice. And then I started seeing people review this ingredient, volufiline, 50,000 ppm of patented volufiline. This ingredient, patented situation, whatever it is, I swear to you, it does make your lines literally, like, you look in the mirror and you're like, what the heck? Like, oh my gosh. This is not crazy expensive. They do have it at Ulta. I want to say it's $26 to $28. I will have everything listed and linked for you guys as always. This is such a gem. I love this. I can layer other things on top of it without my face feeling goopy either, so that's a great win. It's excellent under makeup, as is the Make Beauty Emulsion. The texture on this is unlike most things out there. It is very, very unique. You pump this out and it is very drippy, almost like a serum. Then you go and you rub this product in and it seems to almost bulk up and, dare I say, get a little bit sticky. Do we see the shine right here? It really glosses up the skin. This is beautiful underneath makeup. It gives me enough hydration that I don't need to be using anything else. In the morning, I will typically use this after washing SkinCeuticals Vitamin C. I will use this serum right here, and then some sunscreen. Make sure you're taking everything down the neck, the chest, the décolleté. Get this whole region going, but these products have been just absolutely leveling up my skin in such an amazing way. All right, for nighttime, I am using the Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This has been out for a very long time. I had never tried anything Sunday Riley. I got this in an advent calendar off of Amazon. If you guys remember, I was like, I think I'm gonna keep this and try it out. I am so happy that I did. This is potent. They say you can use this AM and PM. I disagree. It's just doing enough at nighttime that I don't feel like I wanna use it during the day. This is eating away at the dead skin. That lactic acid is getting rid of any rough texture on the top layer of my skin, encouraging better cellular turnover. I do not use a retinol or retinaldehyde on the same night as using this. I kind of alternate. I have been loving how my skin feels in the morning. When I wash my face, I can always feel, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I've been using retinols and like peel pads and like the whole thing, and nothing has made my skin feel more baby smooth than this right here. And this is like the sample bottle. I need to go and buy the big one, but I'm such a fan. It is very, very good. Hopping away from the skincare and the very expensive to something that I want to say is $8. This is the cutest brand. I'm so in love. This is the brand Jukebox. For $8, you guys, you can buy a soap from Jukebox. Your bathroom will be just delicately wrapped in whatever scent you choose. I have the watermelon one in my shower in the studio right now. It is not headache aggressive. These are natural fragrances, and the ingredients on these soaps, like A to Z, everything is like moisture, shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, natural origin fragrance, shea butter, mango butter, orange essential oil, kaolin clay, sea salt. When you are using a bar of soap like this, get ready for your skin to be so softened. It's formulated perfectly. I haven't heard too much about this brand, so I just wanted to pour some love on something that I think is really, really nice. Let's talk about our bikini line, shall we? We're already in the shower. We're sudsing up with beautiful soap. And now it is time to shave. You could just use this. I'm not even gonna lie, like using hair conditioner is actually a great way to shave if you're in a pinch or you want that like smooth, silky feeling from a shave cream. However, conditioner will kind of gunk up your razor a little bit more than something that's formulated as a shave cream. Incoming fur. I don't even know why this works the way it does, because the ingredients, they're very emollient, they're all of that. I think it's because I'm using everything together, but when I tell you I have had no razor burn, razor bumps, razor anything, that I like TMI, I like to be bald. That's just my vibe. I want everything clean. I joke around that I want to be hair free from the lashes down. We're talking, I shave my face, I shave my arms, I laser my arms, I laser my bikini, I laser my legs, but if I ever need a touch up or something like that, you do want to have razors on hand. So fur is an excellent line, and let me show you why. This right here is genius. This is an electric razor. It comes with a bunch of different attachments, but get this, it has a light. You can actually see what you are doing. And we have all been there. Like literally I yoga pose it out to like get every square inch. My audience is like 98% women. So you know, like I don't want bumps and lumps and ingrown hairs. And honest to God, ever since I had the issue of going and getting a spray tan and having the spray tanner want to hug me while I was naked, I am terrified to go and get waxed. Like, I just don't want that. I don't want someone to be like, oh my God, aren't you the girl from YouTube? As I'm like, you know, like I don't want that. So I take care of business myself. Yes, I'm still all about a laser, but you still want to have a good razor on hand. In fact, they recommend with the that you shave the day before going in and doing your laser treatment. So this is phenomenal. I already ordered more razors because like I used it and was like, yes, where has this been my whole life? Now the shave cream does leave you very smooth. You get a very close shave. I don't know if it's really the shave cream or if it is the amazing blade and electric razor situation that we have right here with the light. Or it could be this as well. Now this, I think, needed to be around for a very, very long time. I'm so happy that a company made a product like this. If you guys know, I'm obsessed with hypochlorous acid as a spray. I keep these on the go in the car. I use it before working out. Tower 28 makes a great one, the SOS. This is going to take all bacteria off of your skin. It also calms your skin down if you're sensitive, if you have rosacea, if you have any contact dermatitis, any irritation. It is going to calm your skin. Now, I have only ever had the spray on for the face. I have never thought, nor did I have a product that I could put on my bikini line that has hypochlorous acid in it as a gel. Literally, if you go and get waxed, forget the razor and the shave cream and all of that. If you go to a medical spa and you get lasered or you go get waxed, you're gonna want something like this on hand to get rid of that redness and those bumps and potential ingrown hairs. This just makes everything look baby smooth. We want to be ready for bikini season. I say get ready now, get rid of the razor burn now so that you can feel like you have a good program to be smooth by the time you're in a swimsuit when we go into spring, summer. So you guys know that I am in my best skin ever mission right now with my body. So I have been talking about how when I do my skincare, I always take everything down. Like I joke around, like take it down to the nipple. Like really, I want to anti-age my boobs too. I'm just not gonna lie. I want everything to be smooth. So when I'm doing my skincare at night, a lot of times I'm just topless doing my skincare. I'll hit the arms, I'll hit the belly, I'll do the full chest, I'll do everything. And I was going through a lot of my products way too quickly because if you're using a product like this on the full body, you're gonna go through it so quickly. So I now have designated body products that I layer and do a very similar system with nighttime only. And bonus, in the morning, I kind of don't worry about my body care. Like I don't worry about slathering on lotion after I'm out of the shower. I feel like I really take that extra 5 minutes at nighttime to make sure that everything is hydrated. And that's one of my biggest secrets. You guys always ask, you're like, how do you get your skin like so nice? Just get in a good nighttime routine with it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using Cyklar's Milky Essence on the body, on the arms. And then I'm using St. Jane Luxury Body Serum as my serum, and then I go in with a moisturizer. So if we can see, it very much mirrors what I'm doing on my face. And then a couple nights a week, I will use Dr. Meloxin's peel off situation in the shower, or I will use Cyklar, the spray on exfoliant. And so far, I'm like, yes, like just these extra few steps has really leveled up my skin and it's so soft and I'm here for it. And by the time I'm wearing a cute summer dress, my skin is going to be soft, plush, gorgeous, hair-free. This one, by the way, clean ingredients. The scent on here is like heaven. It seriously will calm you down. I want to say they have CBD as an ingredient in here. Whatever it is, it's just like lights out. I use this at night and my brain goes to a place where it's like, oh, it's time to tuck in. Maybe we should have a little tea. Maybe we should journal just a little bit. My skin is just feeling so good. And the scent kind of brings me to this nice ritual of it being bedtime. Bonus, the packaging is elevated. St. Jane is one of these brands that I had not heard of for a long time. I ordered off of Revolve one of their lip glosses, fell in love with it immediately, and now I want to try everything from the brand. It's very, very good. We have a few makeup moments to go through really quickly for the lips. You guys, buy this not on Amazon. A few people are having issues with Soap and Glory on Amazon and the product not being as potent as what you can buy in Walgreens, but I bought this at Walgreens. You can find it there. This is a beautiful, beautiful lip plumper. You guys know Sexy Mother Pucker is one of my favorites. Soap and Glory for lips is never talked about, and it is one of the actual most potent, effective lip plumpers available. Not very expensive. This is a plumping and rejuvenating lip serum. So this is something that you could put underneath anything else you're already doing. This one right here from Dr. Gross, kind of the same thing. It's a treatment you put on before you go into your lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss. This one right here, I want to say is like 55 bucks, somewhere in that area. This one is like 12. Check this out. It's so good. While you're at Walgreens, go and pick up this gloss and tell me what you think of it, because it truly is better than any of these sparkly glosses that I've recently tried at Sephora. Now this is from number 7. The shade is Sparkling Rose. I was already wearing it, but I just want you to see what this does. It's almost like you don't need a plumper. This is so good. You cannot feel the shimmer in here. But boy, oh boy, is it there. It literally is like a firework of sparklies that are so micro tiny that it catches the light, but you're not feeling it. This is way better than the one that I was enjoying from Rare Beauty. Seriously, this particular shade, use it alone, wear it as a topper, it's so good. Then from Clarins, we're going back away from the drugstore over to Sephora. No one talks about these. And when I was really taking a good hard look at all of the shiny lippies that come in a tube, we all know everyone does these. Clarins had this out for a long while though, I think before all the hype happened. And what I love about this one, the shade is amazing. It's like this milky peachy shade. They do have everything from like a pink to a red to a more clear, but I like number 2. This is just like peachy perfection in my opinion. The scent. If you like Comptoir Sud Pacific, the Apricot Vanilla, the fragrance that I love that I've been wearing for like 20 plus years, that is my most repurchased fragrance ever, ever, ever. You smell like a sexy cupcake. You smell like you are on the boardwalk and waffle cone is just kind of in the air. That is what this smells like. It's not your typical buttercream vanilla. Man, it's like complex. And this does give you lots of shine and hydration. And I don't ever see hype over this one. And I'm like, this is like one of the best. If you're into contouring your nose, you're into contouring the face, you want something that's a little more cool toned, I'm gonna turn you on to this one right here. You get 3 shades in the pan. You can buy this on Amazon. This brand actually was in Sephora for a hot minute. It's too cool for school. This is natural, the pan that I have. I wanna say they have like 2 or 3 different shades, depending on your skin tone, what you're gonna go for. But this to contour with is amazing. It's very buttery soft. It's not highly pigmented, which you don't want when you're doing like a powder nose contour. This is perfect. It gives exactly what you need without it being too gray cool toned or too warm. It's just right. It's just perfect. You could use this on your eyes as shadow as well, but this one is not very expensive and on Amazon, and their brand as a whole is really, really good. Now, a lot of people didn't like this one, and this is more high end. This is more for the people that don't like the blush trend, because this is an outdoor blush. Like literally Burberry came in and said, we're making an outdoor blush, a blush that's not intended for camera or YouTube or TikTok or any of it. This is the most gorgeous blush. And you guys, if you've been with me forever, you know when Burberry had like the mirrored compact and their blushes I would wear all the time. I would use all the time. I want to say, funny enough, I think Lisa D1 is the one that turned me on to the Burberry blushes. I was like, oh my gosh, this is fabulous. I feel so luxurious. And like, I loved those blushes so much. They also had really good eyeshadows. So when I saw that they relaunched a blush formula, I was like, oh yeah, I have to get that. A lot of people are complaining that this does not show up on the skin. I am wearing it today. I think it shows up just fine. It is something that you definitely want to layer, but it has these micro fine pigments in here. The texture is just so finely milled that for more mature skin, textured skin, it's not gonna look patchy. It's just gonna give you the smoothest application. Now, if you are a millennial like me, you're gonna notice the fragrance in here is giving like we are at the mall and it is 1995. I am back in high school. I feel like this smells like sunflowers from Elizabeth Arden. I kid you not. Normally I don't like makeup to be scented, but because this is giving me so many good memories, I actually don't mind it. And you kind of only smell it when you're swirling it like off the brush. You kind of smell this like, ooh, I'm in a garden back in 1995. It's so good. It's so beautiful, so chic, and I really have not heard anyone talk about this, so go check her out. We made it to the end of the newer products that are in my every single day routine that are changing and elevating my beauty situation, and I love them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Everything will be listed and linked below in the description box. Expand that puppy, check it out. And other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you're doing, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.